You say the most beautiful things, and endless list treasures trimmings.
Wait, like in 2 weeks you adopt all the kids.
Takes all my faith just to start